Hi, this is Travis from 10 Farms, and just doing an update on the apple cider apple scrap vinegar here. We just took the two jars that were a gallon each that I had, and we strained them together into this 1 gallon container here. And from my experiment, I did one with the recipe that I showed in the video of a tablespoon of sugar for every cup of water. And I did another one with half of that amount of sugar, so 1 tablespoon per 2 cups of water. Just wanted to see what the difference would be since I was using more apples and less scraps. I thought maybe I wouldn't need as much sugar. Well, the one with the full amount of sugar seemed to do a little bit better than the one without. It seemed a little further along, a little bit more vinegary, and a little bit less alcohol-like. Yeah, they both started vinegar though, so I think it's working either way. So we mixed them together here, and now they're in this container. I put the top back on it so it can get air, and I'm just going to let it sit now for a couple more months in a dark but still somewhat warm place, and we should have vinegar then. It's already starting to smell like vinegar and alcohol together, so it just needs a little bit longer to convert the rest of the way to vinegar. I'll do a follow-up when it's all done. Thanks for watching.